Feel that crushing weight right now? The market's crumbling, investors panicking, deals disappearing in front of your eyes? That burning frustration gnawing at your gut because every move you make seems like a gamble in a storm, and the storm just keeps raging? You're not alone. Founders losing grip on their vision, professionals watching their hard-won gains evaporate, leaders desperate to keep control while the world spins out of logic. This isn't just a financial crisis. It's a gut punch to every bit of ambition, every shred of hope you cling to. You feel trapped in a loop of caution, paralysis, and fear because the old rules, the ones they told you would lead to success, no longer work. The comfortable plays crumble, the safe bets rot. Meanwhile, opportunistic funds, they thrive, they grow, they grab what others drop, feast while everyone else starves. Why? Because they see what you don't. They understand that downturns aren't disasters. They're doorways, sharp-edged, but wide open. You're tired of watching these funds swoop in, snapping up assets at fire sale prices, restructuring companies, rethinking markets, and then climbing back stronger when everyone else's skin is raw from the fall. It's infuriating because it feels unfair, and worse, it feels like you're missing the secret handshake. The frustration is real because you work harder, smarter, but the system rigs the game for those who know how to play in chaos. But here's the raw truth. The edge these funds have isn't luck or insider secrets. It's mindset and ruthless strategy. The moment fear tightens its grip across the market, they flip the script. Instead of freezing, they move like sharks scenting blood. Not to feed blindly, but with precision and cold intent. And you can do that too. The power isn't just theirs. It belongs to anyone who refuses to be paralyzed by risk and instead learns to own it. You want in? Then let's cut through the noise and fix that right now. Step 1. Stop thinking of downturns as a threat. You have to rewire that terrifying narrative into your own battlefield advantage. This is exactly the time to be ruthless with your analysis. Don't waste hours dreaming up perfect exits or grand plans that assume sunny skies. Get brutally honest about every asset, every deal, every risk. Which companies have fundamentals so strong they'll limp through or emerge stronger? Who's so bone-deep undervalued the market can't see them yet? That's your hunting ground. Use data obsessively, but don't drown in it. Find the needle in the haystack, not by chasing every lead, but by laser focusing on clear winners that downturn storms shake loose. Step 2. Master balance sheets like a surgeon. Opportunistic funds win because they see value others miss by dissecting liabilities and assets with surgical precision. They don't just look at revenue. They see how debt structures cripple or protect. Get tactical with debt renegotiations. Uncover hidden collateral. Use strategic recapitalizations. They know which covenant terms strangled businesses and where leverage can thin the herd, but also amplify gains. You want to turn liabilities into weapons. Cut toxic strings before they strangle, not after. That knowledge, it's your survival kit. Step 3. Build a network that crushes isolation. This isn't about casual LinkedIn connections or who you know on paper. This is about hyper-focused relationships with insiders who give you early intel, debt holders ready to negotiate, distressed asset managers with keys to secret deals. Opportunists thrive because they don't work alone. They have a web of allies who feed them opportunities others can't even sniff out. So, stop flying solo. Build that toxic ecosystem. Call everyone, like every day. Join circles that challenge the mainstream thinking. Be relentless. Your handshake is currency. Your word is steel. Step 4. Move with speed that shocks. The market loves to freeze people in analysis paralysis. Opportunistic funds crush giants because they bite fast. They do simple, high-conviction plays, not flashy or complex ones that take forever to close. They strike before reactions set in, before legal tangles grow. You want to be a predator in downturns? Strip your process down to instant yes-no flip decisions on opportunities that meet strict, non-negotiable criteria. Speed kills fears. Speed wins the right to own. Step 5. Reimagine value creation on steroids. The old mindset says, cut costs, chase growth. Opportunistic funds rewrite the playbook. They fix broken cultures, align management to sharp new incentives, shake out deadweight fast, and double down on innovation areas ignored by others. Don't just buy cheap, reinvent. Bring in experts who won't just execute, but transform. Make every operational move a surgical strike aimed at unlocking hidden cash flows, new markets, efficiency gains no one saw coming. You're thinking this sounds intense, because it is. But if you want to thrive, you must embrace that intensity. Every moment you hesitate, you bleed value, and miss the rare window that downturns open. The world tells you to be calm, wait it out, stay safe. That's cozy nonsense wrapped in illusion. Safety is a trap when the ground breaks beneath you. Real safety, real power, comes from mastering chaos. Listen carefully now. You are not powerless. You are not stuck in this cycle of loss. You hold the key to leapfrog the panic and paralysis that keeps others chained. Every minute spent doubting is a minute lost. Every second you hesitate is a second the opportunists capture. What separates you from thriving in downturns is not talent. It's obsession. Obsession with seeing the cracks before the break, with cutting through noise, with moving fast enough to own the future others fear. Forget comfort. Forget the old textbooks. This is work for warriors, for founders who refuse to let the market define them, for investors hungry to rewrite the rules, for leaders ready to resurrect broken systems into engines of innovation and profit. Your mission isn't survival, it's to dominate opportunity when others flinch. Get brutally clear about your edge. Sharpen your judgment daily. Build alliances, not because it looks good, but because your life depends on it. Move so fast the competition still processes what you did before you do the next. Hunt down undervalued gems, crack open companies like puzzles, unleash potential no one sees, no one dares touch. This isn't just good advice, it's life or death for your ambition. No excuses, no waiting for permits from the past. The downturn is your battleground. Own it, transform it, thrive in it. Because if the world breaks you now, you'll never remake yourself on your own terms. But if you seize this moment, this chaos, you will rise so high the screams of failure won't even reach you. Now get to work.